Hello everyone! It's so wonderful to see you all again for Lesson 10. I hope you're having a productive day and are ready to cross the finish line of our testing documents. Before we dive into today's report, did you take the time to master the STD document from our last chapter? That detailed design is what feeds directly into what we're learning today. Today, we're covering the System Test Report, or STR. Think of this as the final report card for our software. It's the document that tells stakeholders if the product is truly ready for the world. The STR presents the results, findings, and criteria compliance after all testing is complete. It's used by managers and developers to make the final release decision. Our primary goal here is to summarize the testing process and provide clear conclusions regarding the system's stability and readiness for production. This summary covers compliance with functional, performance, and security requirements, providing the necessary evidence for that final go or no-go decision. A general testing overview gives stakeholders a comprehensive picture of the number of executed scenarios and the issues we discovered along the way. Each phase, from planning to result analysis, contributes to our final assessment of the system's performance and readiness for the next stage. When we look at our test results, we categorize them by type to see where we've succeeded and where we might have minor bugs still remaining. For example, we might see 95% of functional scenarios passing, while performance and security metrics show where we've met or partially met our targets. Visualizing this data through success rate graphs helps management quickly understand the quality level across different functional areas of the system. Comparing functional, performance, and security success rates allows us to identify any weak spots that need attention before the final release approval. We also track average response times by module. It's critical to ensure that every part of the system, from login to report generation, is fast enough for our users. By plotting these times against our target threshold, usually around 2 seconds, we can verify if the user experience meets our high-performance standards. Of course, no system is perfect. We must classify discovered defects by severity, from minor issues to critical vulnerabilities that must be fixed. Tracking the total, open, and fixed defects gives us a clear metric for software quality and helps us prioritize the remaining work. Acceptance criteria. Compliance is the ultimate test. We check if the actual results match the conditions agreed upon by our stakeholders. Meeting targets, like a 90% execution rate and 80% pass rate, ensures the system is resilient and functionally ready for its intended purpose. Finally, we reach the testing status and release recommendations. This is our professional judgment on whether the system is safe to use. Whether recommending immediate release or suggesting maintenance for minor issues, our goal is always high system reliability and security for our users. Great work completing our deep dive into the STR document. In our next chapter, we'll cover bug reporting and management. Don't miss it. Remember to practice at home in your free time, join our community, and subscribe to our channel. Leave your feedback below. See you next time.